Welcome back everyone to Algebra 1. Today we're going to learn about the area method and we'll apply that area method to multiply binomials. So first, let's learn how to read area tiles. These tiles just have a certain amount of area in them, and to find that area we use the length and width and multiply them together. So in the first tile we have 1 times 1, so the area is equal to 1. In here we can see we have x times 1, so then the area is just equal to x. And lastly, we see that's x times x, so then our area will equal x squared. We use these 3 specific tiles to multiply the binomials together. So let's take an example of how we would do that. So then we have to multiply x plus 2 times x plus 1. So how would we represent x plus 2? So we know that this is x, and then here we have 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2, so we have x plus 2 here. And then same thing for x plus 1. This represents x, and this represents 1. So now we have this big box, x and x, which is x squared. And we'll do that all throughout. 1 times x is x. Similarly here, 1 times x is x. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times x is x. And lastly, 1 times 1 is 1. So now we can just add up all the boxes. So we have x squared plus 3x plus 2. And this is what we get when we multiply x plus 2 times x plus 1. So now you guys try multiplying using the area method we learned to multiply x plus 3 times x plus 2. Alright, now that you guys tried it out, let's go over it and see if we got the same thing. So now we know that this is x, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is x, this is 1, and this is 1. So here we have x plus 3, and here we have an x plus 2. So now we have x times x. That would give us an x squared, and x times 1. That's just x, and then x times 1 again. That's x. Similarly, x times 1 is x. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Here we have a 1 times x is an x. A 1 times x is an x. So we just fill in the ones. And similarly, we add them all up again, so we have x squared plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5x plus 6. And this is what we get when we multiply x plus 3 times x plus 2. Now, lastly, here, think about how we can use what we learned today to multiply x minus 2 times x plus 3. It's a little different because we have an x minus 2 here, and we only work with positives up top.